so he's not in the cup anymore.
Alright, so we have the frog that we found at 6:30 this morning. And now, let's see that frog up close. Can we see him?
Ooh.
Let me see. Oh, yeah. Whoa, there he is. He's kind of cute. Okay, so now we want to keep him for a while. Go ahead, put him in his plastic bottle. But we're not really sure.
In this plastic bottle?
No, in his bottle that we got him. That one, yeah, you gotta put him in there, and then we're gonna have to put holes in it. Whoa, there he goes. Alright, so we did that. Let's see what else can we video. This is Pop-Pop's house. It's really nice down here. This is the kitchen. And the living room. And we're running out of time. This is our room. Kyle, stay in here with Mommy. Okay. And there's our, there's our $10 balloon.